What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. This is going to be kind of a little bit of a different kind of video. We're not really talking too much about the ZR2, and I know most of you are waiting to see my front bumper. We actually got some mail, and I think this was be kind of a little good time to do while I'm editing other videos and got a lot of other things in the works. And I thought this would have been kind of a cool little thing to kind of do. I found this company called, this video is not sponsored by them. I paid the monthly subscription on it. So it's kind of like a random box day. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys. And so this company is actually called the Bespoke Post. They send you kind of like a random thing each month, which is kind of cool because you guys can actually select if you want to do like camping or, I think there's electronics and everything. And they got a little bit of dollar, you can do the $48 all the way up to like $199. So I'm thinking about doing this every month so to see how well this actually does. This is my first box from them. We're gonna open up and see kind of inside, and the cool thing about this company is that it's a lot of small businesses, and I like supporting small businesses as best as I can, because that's what really makes America. But so this is from a small business, and I'm actually not really getting sidetracked. I'm actually starting my own. This is if you're interested in getting like. I think I got it all the way packed. Doesn't look that good right now. I'm still waiting. It is a fire starter for camping, and it burns for roughly 7 minutes for each one that's in there. I'm just waiting for my stickers to come on. So if you guys are interested in that, let me down in the comments down below, or shoot me an email. I think roughly it's going to be like $12 free shipping and everything like that. So I'm starting my own little company. We're just starting to get there. So I got like 6 or 7 of them made right now, and hopefully get a whole bunch of them coming get made soon. But if you're interested in some fire starters, let me know down in the comments down below, or just shoot me an email. Email will be down in the description, and we'll get everything worked out. So like again, this is the Bespoke Post, and let's just see what we got for this month. Oh, so we got a knife. That's pretty cool. A knife to cut open a knife. And I actually needed a decent knife for camping. Anything else that comes in it? Oop. Next stop, the recycling bin. So that's kind of cool. They encourage you to recycle. There, my hand to work. So it comes with a little RF or QR code, and this looks like a pretty, oh shit. This is actually kind of a heavy duty knife here. Oh shit. Little, that's nice and sharp. It's kind of cool. You guys can see the embroidery in it, and this one is from, don't even ask me how to pronounce that. What? Is that kind of actually pretty nice. I actually needed a knife for, oh, there you go. For actually when we go out camping, cut our vegetables or whatever food we're having. But it's really nice. It's actually got some pretty decent weight to it. Kind of like a knife. Nice wooden all around. It's kind of cool. You get to see the guy's names, probably who made it, or the owner of it. And here's the box of it. It's the 6-inch chef knife, which is cool because I actually really needed one. So we're gonna throw that definitely in my camping bag. So actually tomorrow's my birthday too, so grab yourself a drink, and it's hot out here. It feels like it's 90. So grab your nice cold drink. Today's non-sponsored, which I wish they were, would be Jack Daniels, my absolute favorite. my father-in-law actually brought these for my birthday tomorrow. So thank you. So yeah, I just thought this would be kind of cool to kind of do. One, it gets me more practice and everything else on making some videos, and you know, hopefully maybe I can kind of you know, show off little small businesses. I think that's kind of cool. And I gotta say, the quality of here, if this kind of turns in, is really nice. I would have to say that the quality of this is actually super nice. There we go. My folds in. You know, so I actually, like I said, I actually needed one of these actually for my camping bag. So I'm actually pretty lucky that it came in, because next week we're going camping. So we'll be using this. So yeah, this I gotta figure out how to say this name though. Let's see what the QR code says. So yeah, and basically what it does, just takes you right to the website of this company.
Messermeister.
Messermeister. That's how you pronounce the name. Messermeister. It's a German name, so whatever that really means in German. Because I'll be honest, I don't speak German, but it is pretty cool. And again, like I said, this is gonna be a very short video and just kind of a little, you know, open the box, random box video. And we support a small business, which is actually pretty cool. So I mean, it's got a really nice, I mean, you can really grip this thing. So I'm not telling you guys to go out there and do a unboxing. If you guys like these kind of videos, maybe just a random box of the month or so, maybe we'll start doing that a little bit more. So again, this company, I know when I read the thing, it supports small businesses, and that is one thing I like, is to try to show a little love to a little random small businesses. So so again, this is the 6-inch chef knives from Moist. I'm gonna mess it up.
Messermeister.
Messermeister. Let's listen to it again.
Messermeister.
So Messermeister. So if you guys can kind of see that name right there. So random box of the day. If you guys like this kind of videos, leave me down in the comments down below. I greatly appreciate it. Again, I'm working on my kind of my little bit of a videos of the, because I know most of y'all are excited to see the front bumper, and I've been posting on my Instagram and everything like that, and it is amazing. So again, this random box day. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.